Alright, so on your screen here, it's going to show you speed, distance, total, pressure, and this is our pressure limit, right? So anything above 1500 is going to error code out the machine. You can change that if you click on it, you can change it. I don't recommend that. I'd leave it around like 1500. You can hit reset, obviously, being that we're doing a new run, I would clear this. And total is always going to be how much fiber you ran through the machine.
It's counting footage.
Counting footage, total footage on every job you've ever done. So now, I'm going to go tight, and then like a quarter turn. Someone down there?
No, but they can start going.
Yeah, I would send somebody down there.
Per second if you're running. On your marks.
I tell everybody though, if you're doing a lot of like standard fiber and you get microfiber every now and then, this is what you need. But if you're doing a bunch of microfiber and you get standard fiber every now and then, the 350 plus is what I would look at. A little bit, and it's all pneumatic.
Automatic.
It's all pneumatic. So no power packs, no nothing. It runs off a drill battery. Runs the same air block as this on a smaller machine.
Okay.
So you'll go up to 1.5 inch. Well, I mean, you could technically put the 2-inch adapter in it, but I don't know. I mean, if I'm pushing 2-inch, I'm really gonna want the backbone of the hydraulics. So, because it might struggle. I'm not saying it won't do that cable, but it's not gonna do it like this will. So.
You need somebody here is just strong enough to hold it, come up from any direction.
Yep.
So this pressure gauge is gauging the
Hydraulic pressure.
Okay. Is that pretty standard, about 600 or 700?
Yeah. That's kind of where I want to be. So I'm just watching my pressure and my speed, right? I'm watching my fiber. I'm running 190 feet a minute at like 700 pressure. That's pretty good. 240, 250 right now. At 800 pounds of pressure. So as long as it's running pretty good, I would just let it. Yeah, you don't have to hoss it up there. I mean,
Pounds of pressure, call it good.
I like to be.
Right?
I like to be around 800 to 900,000 pounds.
And then off of that pressure.
So you're just watching pressures and speeds, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm.
So, and we're just, your whole job is just here and here. If something stops, keep braking. But look, I mean, we're running 255 right now, and you've 750 feet in the hole right now. Yeah, if it's running at 250, I'm gonna let it go. I mean, everything's running smooth right now, so just let it run. Our pressures are staying under 900. We're 1,100 feet in the hole right now. And that's kind of what we were talking about as far as keeping it clean, is that's the stuff that you'll see is the dust off of these wheels is gonna make everything in there dirty.
That's not it. I used to have my foot in front of it.
I mean, look, our pressures haven't got over 1,000 this whole time. That's
Made about
900 pounds on pressure, I think is like pretty good. Yeah, we're literally 1,500 feet in the ground right now. You'll know when it pops out of the hole, this is gonna stop. You lose that back pressure. I'm gonna start backing down a little bit because I know we're getting close to that end. 1670, 80, 90, 1705, 1710,
Hold on, we're gonna pull on for the slack.
That's it, baby. 8 minutes, 1,700 feet.